Hello, welcome back to the HVAC Budget Channel. Today I'm excited to bring you something else that we can do to make the Leatherman Wave Plus even more modular. Alright, so on this knife I have previously installed a fork and I took that back out. So we have left our knife, we have our saw on this side, and we have our file on this side. So we have our main tools. All I've done is I've taken off the serrated knife there, and that opens up one of these real long tool compartments on the outside. So I sort of accidentally ran into this, and I just wanted to share it with you. Is I found a way to add a lot of modularity to the Leatherman Wave Plus. So I have a couple of these Klecker stowaway tools, and I was thinking I would go ahead and file them down and put them on here, but take a look at this. These fit in perfectly to this long tool slot, and they fit really, really tight as well. I mean, this is not going anywhere. It just has never fallen out on me yet. The reason being is it actually uses this spring, which you would normally use for the serrated knife, and that spring catches this. You actually have to depress it fairly hard, and then it really holds these tools in place. So that's a pretty neat option. And Klecker knives, from what I've used 4 or 5 options so far, and all of the Klecker stowaway tools are the perfect width to fit in here. So any option I've used so far works. So I've used the tweezers. Those are an option that works pretty good here. I have used the replaceable screwdriver, or the removable screwdriver, this with the double-sided bit. This fits in here as well. And I know some people will say, well, the Leatherman Wave already has that. You're right, it does. But there are times when I've found in the field doing my work that it's a little bulky to have a whole multi-tool using that as the handle for a screwdriver. Sometimes I just want a really narrow screwdriver to get in tight areas. And there's times when it would be really handy to have a removable screwdriver. So that will not be of interest to maybe 75% of the people out there, but there may be 1 or 2 of you who would find that as a valuable option to have actual removable screwdriver. And what would be nice is if they would even modify this handle and make it perhaps a little bit chunkier as well. Like a T-handle you could add to it perhaps, without making it the whole width of the whole multi-tool. All right, and then there's actually a light that Klecker has. Now the light, this one I've been carrying for years in my wallet, and so it's not going to be as bright as they come brand new. It's worn down a lot, the battery, but this actually fits in there pretty nicely as well. So you can even have a flashlight in your multi-tool, and I think for some people that would be appealing. So there are many other options that Klecker stowaway tool offers. Right now they are going at a discounted price on eBay and even on Amazon. I'm not sure how much longer these will be produced. They have been produced, I think, for maybe 7 years now, so I'm not sure if they're going to make any new or they're just trying to get rid of the old stock. But that's something you might want to look into. Klecker Knives has a flashlight, tweezers, screwdriver. They have a razor blade. They have a wrench, which probably you won't be interested in. Those seem sort of gimmicky, but they have a couple other options that actually seem to be fairly nice options. All right, I hope this has been something that's been helpful to you, interesting. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.